Good morning, everybody. Today, explain about ICT2 Internet Fundamentals and Web Tools. Okay, Unit 1 Fundamentals of Internet. Let's start network. Network is the collection of hardware components and a computer interconnected to the transmission media. Allow the shares of resources of information is nothing but the network. Okay, okay. Observe this diagram. Number of hardware devices interconnected to the transmission media and hardwares and processors and topology are created to the best network. Okay, let's start. Number of components. Transmission medium. It is the medium through which data is the travel. The data is the travel to the one location to another location, source to destination. The data is the travel, which pair of cable. This is the number of transmission medias are twisted pair cables and coaxial cables and fiber optics. Okay, all transmission media or communication channel are both are same. Okay, next one transmission media. This is the nothing but one wire. Transmission media is created to the one network using wire and without wire. Okay, processor is the nothing but the hardware. Okay, which helps the transfer the data source to destination. Different process used to the data communications are modem and router and bridge. Okay, next one the processor is the hardware. Okay, the same component and transmission media and processor and software and topologies are both are same, all are same. The data is the transfer to the one location to another location, source to destination. The data is the transfer, but the processor is the hardware. The modem and router bridge, all processors using the data transfer to one location to another location. Next one is the software is the transfer the data from source to destination. Required the software examples are networking operating system software, internet explorer, and etc. Software is the set of programs is the nothing but the software. The programs, the information transferred to one location to another location using the software. The using number of softwares and internet explorer and operating system software and etc. Next one topology or it is its way of which is the travel and various topologies are ring topology and bus topology and tree topology. All topologies are using you are created to the network and the data is the transfer to one location to another location using. Next one advantages of network. Next one advantages of networks: easy communication and speed and ability to share and data and information, sharing hardware, sharing software and security and speed. Let's start easy communication and speed. It is very easy communication through the network. The people of communication efficiently using the network with group of people, and they can enjoy the benefit of emails and instant messages and telephony, video conference and chat rooms and etc. You are created to easy communicate. Suppose you are open to the internet and the one letter is created and after completed to the letter transferred to your office, easy to communicate and cheap. Okay, next one ability to share and data communication, data and information. The people can find the share and information. The because is the network is the beneficially large organization maintain the data organized manner and facility access for the desired the people. The first identify the data is the transferred one location to another location. Okay, source to destination. Okay, the data is the transferred the sharing one device to another devices using a network. Next one share the hardware ability to hardware resources such as the printers and fax machines and modems and can shared. For example, the printer can share the among the user network and there no need individual printers and can each every computer then company. It is the reduced cost of the purchasing the hardware. Suppose the number of hardware is there and the printers and fax machines and modem can be shared. For example, the printer can be shared among the user networking and no need. Suppose you have a one company, no need individual printers and each every computer in this company. Number of computers you have suppose 200 computers. You are connected to the network the hardware devices, no need to each every computer in this company. Suppose it will reduce the cost of purchasing hardwares. Next one, sharing softwares, and users share the softwares within the network easily. The network is the version of softwares are available, considerable saving the compared to individuals. The licensed version softwares, suppose you are installed in a licensed version software in network, okay, therefore large companies that can reduce the cost of buying the softwares and network there is the computer. Suppose the uh, share the software, you are a licensed based software installed in our network, all computers working in this network, all computer working this software on network. Okay, next one, you are compulsory licensed based software use in this company. Okay, the lifetime is reduced, the lifetime is increased. The security, sensitive files the program on the network can password is the protected. Suppose then those files can only access authorized persons only, authorized user only accessed, unauthorized persons is not accepted. Okay, each every user their own set of privileges prevent those access the restricted files and programs. Okay, suppose you are a created to the you are a created to the one password in this network, sorry, in your computer, another rigid persons not accepted, another rigid persons not more. Speed, share and transfer the file within the network very rapid, this is the saving times and while communicating the integrity of the files. Okay, all advantages of the network, easy communication and speed, and ability to share the file data information, sharing hardware and sharing software, and security and speed. Easy communication, all people easy to communicate and network. The email network and video conference, anything is the communication is very very easy. And ability to first you are identify the data, next the data transfer using a number of hardware devices and sharing the hardware. Suppose hardware devices you are connected to the network, the individual printers each every computer in this company, sharing the software. Suppose you installed in the network multiple devices working in same software. Security, the security is the files networking can be password protected. The speed, sharing the transfer files the network very rapid. Okay, next one, disadvantages of network, breakdown and possibility loss of resources. The one major disadvantages of network is the breakdown of whole network due to an issues of the server, and such as the breakdown and frequent in the network casing of losses thousands of dollars each year. This is the worst sensor. Is such as the breakdown is the lead loss of important data on the server. The one major disadvantages is the breakdown in the whole network due to issues of the server. The number of companies face the same problem, the breakdown and possible the resources. One time the breakdown the server, the network loss of thousands of dollars and each year. Okay, this is the worst sensor, breakdown lead of loss important. Suppose one time the breakdown in your company loss important data and important files and important anything is the data of the server. Okay, next one, expensive build, the build the next serious sorry, the business is the main occasion. Or suppose you have a one company, large scale of organization, cables and other hardwares very expensive by the replaces. Okay, the one company, the this is the best example is the one company number of hardware, a number of computers inner connected to the network. Okay, next one, suppose you are aggregated to the network multiple devices, every device is connected to the, you are using transmission media and software and hardware and topologies, you are aggregated to the best network, but you are replaces to hardware devices and you are replaces to the software and hardware, this is the expensive build. Next one, security threats, always problem with the large networks and companies and etc. there are hackers who are trying to steal valuable data for large companies for their own benefits. Okay, number of hackers who are trying only important data theft, the large companies for their own benefits. Okay, next one, bandwidth issues in the network. This is the user you consume lot more bandwidth the others. Okay, this is the disadvantages of network breakdown and possible loss of resources, expensive build and security threats, and bandwidth issues. And data communication. Data communication means network and network collection of hardware components and computer interconnected to the communication channel, and you are created to network. Okay, data communication. The data communication means sharing the information. This sharing can be local and remote with the build and local communication. Okay, next one, the data communication means you are created to the first network and the number of hardware devices and the number of hardware devices interconnected to the transmission medium. And this is the local communication use the face to face communication. Data communication means you are divided to the two types: local communication and remote communication. Local communication usually occur in face-to-face communication, while remote communication is that take a place and over distance. Okay, the data communication is exchange of data between two devices via some transmission medium, and the data communication devices and must be part of communication system made of combination of hardware and software. Okay, this is the combination of hardware and software. The follow the some rules: delivery, timelines, and accuracy. Delivery means delivery should be done correct destination. The timelines means delivery should be on the time, and accuracy, data delivery should be accurate. Okay, suppose the data send, the information transferred to one device to another devices, cut correct destination is the nothing but the delivery timeline. Within time, the data is the transferred to the one location to another location. Accuracy, the data delivery should be accurate. And the next one, components of data communication. Sender, a device is that used to send the messages. Collect, send the messages is the call to the sender. I means, okay. Okay, components of data communication: sender and receiver, messages and transmission media and protocol. Okay, let's start sender. The devices used to send the messages called to sender. It is also called to the transmit or resources. Source. The sender, um, the sender sending the messages is called to the sender. It is also called to the transmitter or source. Sender can be computer and telephones and video camera, etc. Usually the computer is used to send a data communication system. Receiver. Second one, receiver. The device used to receive the messages is the call to the receiver. Suppose one devices the information transferred to another devices. Okay, receive the data is the nothing but receiver. It is also known as the shrink. Receiver can to computer, telephone set, and printer and fax machine, and usually computer used to receiver data communication system. Suppose next one, messages. The message is the information and data can be communicated. Okay, group of characters is the nothing but the message. The text messages and audio messages and video messages and anything. It may be consist of text and numbers and pictures and sounds and videos and any combination of this. Okay, this is the nothing but the message. Okay, next one, transmission media. Okay, already I told transmission media is the number of hardware devices interconnected using the transmission media. The path through the which is the data transmitted from the one location to the another location called to the transmission media. It is also called to the communication channel. It may be wire and fiber optic cable and telephone lines, etc. If the sender and receiver within the build, the wire used to the medium, if they located and different location medium may the telephone lines and fiber optic and microwave of the microwave and satellite systems, all are transmission medias. Next one, protocol. These are some set of rules which is the governance data communication. It represents an agreement between the communication devices. Without protocol, two devices may be connected but not communicate. Okay, next one, the sender information transferred to receiver using messages is nothing but all components is the communication system. Next one, types of networks. The types of networks, this is the divided to the five types, and local area network, and metropolitan area network, and wide area network, and personal area network, and campus area network. Okay, let's start local area network. A computer network is the spanned inside building and operate under single administration system. Suppose number of hardware devices connected to the transmission media using, okay, occupy the face only buildings and organizations and offices and schools and colleges and universities. All this is the you are created to the small network is the nothing but LAN. The configuration consists of this is the divided to the two types, and the local area network. This is the local area network. Number of hardware devices connected to the modem and using transmission medias, hardware devices, and file server. Okay. Okay, next one, the file server. File server means store all software that control the network as well as the software that can be shared by the computer attached to the network. Okay, the file server, they control the all softwares. Second one is the workstation. The computer connected to the file server, these are less powerful than the file server. Next one, LAN are composed and inexpensive network and routing equipment. The most operating provided to the private IP addresses. Local network you are using only IP address does not involve to heavy routing, and LAN is the work under own local domain and controlled to the centralized. Next one, the advantages. Local area network, resources sharing. The computer resources like a printer and modem and DVD, ROM and devices, hard disk, and can be shared within the help of local area network. This will be reduce the cost of purchasing the hardware. Okay, next one, software application sharing. Okay, software application sharing and cheaper, use same software over network instead of purchases separate licensed software for the each client in the network. Next one, easy, cheap, and communication. The data and message can easily transfer to our network and computer. Next one, centralized data. The data of all network users can saved hard disk and server computers. This will be help users to use any workstation in work access their data, because data is not stored on workstation locally. Next one, data security. Data stored on server computer centrally. It will be managed the data only one place and data will be more secure. This is the data security. Internet sharing. Suppose the provider to the facility share the single internet connection among the all LAN users net spaces. Okay, number of disadvantages. Okay, high setup cost. Initial setup cost of initialing local area network is the high. Okay, suppose you are created to the local area network and a number of hardware devices and communication channels and hardware and software. The initial setups is the local area network is high. The privacy and LAN administrator as the right check of personal data files and each ever LAN user internet history and computer is the history. This is the privacy. Okay, data security threats. Unauthorized user can access the important data and organization. Suppose you are created to the one LAN and a number of systems is connected to the transmission media and using number of hardwares and softwares, another person is the involved and another person unauthorized person access the in your network. Okay, next one, LAN maintenance job, LAN administration, because the problem of hardware and software failure cable is the disturbance. Okay, suppose the number of hardware and hardware and software devices installed in our software and hardware devices is the connected, so many problems is occur. Okay, Next one, cover limited area. Only limited geographical area is the office and schools and colleges and university. Next one, metropolitan area network. The metropolitan area network is the generally expansive through the city, such as the cable TV network. It can be from the Ethernet and token ring and ATM and fiber distributing data interfaces. Okay, simple. I will clearly explain. Suppose number of hardware devices inner connected to the one city using fiber cables. Okay, you are created to the transmission media, you are created to the network only villages. This is the best example is cable network. Though suppose you are using ISPs, local area network for the example, the backbone of main high capacity of high speed fiber optics. The main works is the between the local area and the wide area networks using to the man. Number of advantages. Number of advantages. Bandwidth could be easily access to the LAN and cost sharing and quite cheap and fast through the mans. It mainly used to the fiber optic cable. The transmission is the very fast and generally covered to the city or town. It is the supported to the voice communication. Okay, next disadvantages. It is very expensive. Suppose you are created to the network number of hardware devices and a number of softwares and a number of hardware devices you are using connected to the within city. This is the very expensive for the sitting parts and the phone network is the needed. Compulsory phone network is the needed. Next one, wide area network. As the name suggested to the wide area network cover the wide area which is the main span of across into the province of the whole country. Generally telephone network is the nothing but wide area network. This is the network is the provided to the connected man and LAN. You are created to the wide area network using LAN and man and the implemented to the wide area network. Okay, next one, wide area network is the advantage of technology, synchronize and transfer the mode and frame relay, and this is the number of advantages. Share the software resources with the connected to the workstation. Message can be sent the very quickly anyone on the network such as the pictures and sounds or data. Share the information files over the larger R. Next one, disadvantages are expensive and generally slow. Need good firewall, restricted outsider from the entering and network. Security. Security is the against the hackers, viruses add more complexity. Next one, it is the required to the technical and employees. The personal area network. PAN personal area network is the suppose Bluetooth and share it. Number of devices, uh, two devices is connected within Bluetooth or share it. One device to another device is transferred to the messages and audios and videos. Okay, within 10 meters. Within 10 meters, you are created to the network is nothing but personal area network. Okay, okay. This is the observe two devices. Okay, the diagrammatic representation you are observe anyone is observe two devices is connected to the Bluetooth. Okay, now second example is you are connected to the share it. The information is transferred to one device to another devices. You are using Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth and share it is nothing but the personal area networks. Okay, next one, personal area network. Second one, campus area network. This is the campus area network is the computer network link building that consists of two more local area networks. Number of hardware devices connected to the one network within building. Number of buildings connected to the one network is the nothing but the campus area network. Okay, campus area network is the building networks. Multiple buildings connected to the network is the campus area network. The campus area network is the computer network links the building is the consist of two more local networks within the limited geographical area. It can be colleges campus and enterprise campus and office buildings and military base and educational some anything. You are created to the best network. Okay, next one, I clearly explain each point and internet fundamentals and web tools. Okay, I completed the topic is first one, what is internet and internet components and the advantages and the disadvantages of internet. Next one, data communication channel, network types. Okay, all are you are using created to the best network, and you are using to the data communication and sharing. Suppose network means you are a connected to the multiple devices inner connected to the transmission media. Okay, I clearly explain. I have four systems connected to the four systems with communication channel means wire. Okay, four systems you are created to the view of representation is nothing but the network. Okay, the network you are created to the, you are using multiple components, the software and hardware and topologies and processor is nothing but the hardware. Okay, all devices you are using the data transferred to the one location to another location. Okay, number of advantages are network. Number of advantages are, suppose easy communication and cheap. Okay, easy communication and cheap, ability to share and information. And the next one is the hardware, share hardware, share softwares, and all are using. So for easy communication means the people communicate efficiently, they enjoy the benefits, emails and insta messages and facebooks and whatsapp and easy communication. And ability to share, the people can find the share information and because the network, there is the benefit of the share hardware. And hardware, the hardware is the connected to the network. Suppose reduce the cost of hardwares. This is the individual printers, each every computer in the company. Only one printer connected to the network, all devices are working in this printer. Okay, same software, share the software. The user can share the software within the network easily. The software installed in our network, multiple people's work in the software. Okay, you are installed main licensed based software. Okay, next one, security. Sensitive files, programs of network can be password protected, then those files can be accessed to authorized users. Unauthorized persons not accepted. Speed, the shared and information files network is the rapid and saved the times while the maintain integrity of the files. Disadvantages, breakdown of the possibility loss of resources, the major companies, and loss of thousands of dollars each year. Okay, that's disadvantages. Expensive, suppose replace the wires and softwares and hardwares, this is the very expensive. And security, bandwidth, and this is the all devices, all is the disadvantages of networks. Data communication means to share the information. Suppose you are created to the network, one multiple devices is the connected, one devices to another device, the data transferred. Sharing the information is the nothing but data communication. Delivery, timelines, accuracy, all are using. And data communications are multiple components, sender, receiver and transmission medium. And the next one, protocol, all components are using. Okay, types of networks, local area network and metropolitan area network, wide area network and personal area network and campus area network. Okay, but local area network is the computer network and spanned inside building and operate under single administration terms of local area network. Usually, local area network is the connected to the only schools and buildings and colleges and universities. Okay, file server and workstations are using the configuration. File server is the stored all softwares is the control to the network. Workstation is the computer they connected to the file server. Okay, the diagrammatic representation you are observe multi devices is the connected to the hardware you are using transmission medias. This is the diagrammatic representation is the nothing but local area network. And local area network is the number of advantages, resource sharing and software application sharing and next one easy communication and the centralized data and internet sharing, all are using to the local area network. But number of disadvantages are local area networks. Why? The local area network are created to the bandwidth. Okay, the suppose you are created to local area network, high setup cost. High setup cost means suppose you are created to the local area network. The local area network connected to the transmission medias and hardwares and softwares. This is the high setup cost. Next one, data security threats. Unauthorized persons accessed. This is the most disadvantages. Next one, cover limited area. Only cover to the only schools and colleges, only within buildings. This is the disadvantage. Metropolitan area network is the cover to through the cities such as the cable TV, and it can be from the Ethernet, token rings and ATMs, ATM machines. They use it to the metropolitan area networks. Next one, disadvantages and advantages. Number of advantages: bandwidth could be easily accessed to the man and fiber optic cables and cover the city and town. Okay, this is the major advantages. Wide area network is the which is the cross, and this is the whole country connected to the number of devices is the wide area network. Okay, number of advantages here: the software resources connected to the workstation. Disadvantages: expensive and generally slow. Next one, personal area network. Two devices is the connected user to the Bluetooth and share it is the nothing but the personal area network within 10 meters. Next one, campus area network is the computer network, and two or more local area networks is the nothing but campus area network.